Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hi, listeners.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Good, because today we're ordering food.
4 different places.
Restaurant, fast food, cafe, and phone delivery.
All role plays.
Real conversations.
I'm the customer.
I'm the waiter or server.
But first, listeners,
Please subscribe to Daily Talking.
click that button.
It helps us so much.
Okay, let's order food.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to the Garden Restaurant.
Good evening.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Olivia.
Let me check. Yes, table for 2, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Follow me, please. Here's your table, by the window.
Beautiful view. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Yes, please. Sparkling water for me.
And for your friend?
He's not here yet. Just water for now.
No problem. I'll bring that right away.
Thank you.
Here's your water.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. Can I ask some questions first?
Of course.
What's the soup of the day?
Tomato and basil. Very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have that as a starter.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
What do you recommend?
The grilled salmon is fantastic, very fresh.
How is it cooked?
Grilled with lemon and herbs. Comes with vegetables and rice.
Perfect. I'll have that.
Great. How would you like your salmon? Well done or medium?
Medium, please.
And any allergies I should know about?
No allergies.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes. Can I have a side salad?
Of course. What dressing? We have Italian, Caesar, or balsamic.
Caesar, please.
Wonderful. I'll bring your soup first.
Thank you.
My pleasure. How is everything?
Delicious. The salmon is perfect.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Can I have some more water, please?
Of course, right away. Here you go.
Thank you. Excuse me, the salt?
Here you are.
Thanks. Oh, and black pepper too, please.
Here. Anything else?
No, that's perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Finished? Was everything okay?
Everything was excellent.
Wonderful. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
What's the chocolate cake like?
Rich and moist. Very chocolatey. Very popular.
Sounds amazing. I'll have that.
With ice cream or cream?
Ice cream, please.
Coming right up. Here's your chocolate cake.
Looks delicious.
Enjoy.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here you are. Take your time.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, absolutely.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. The food was wonderful.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Hi, welcome to Burger House. What can I get you?
Hi, can I see the menu?
It's right there above me.
Oh, yes, sorry.
No problem. Take your time.
Can I have a cheeseburger?
Regular or large?
Regular, please.
Would you like a meal deal?
What's in the meal deal?
Burger, fries, and a drink. $7.99.
That's good. Yes, I'll take the meal.
Great. What size fries? Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
And what drink?
Coca-Cola, please.
Regular or diet?
Regular.
Perfect. Anything else?
Yes. Can I add chicken nuggets?
Sure. 6 pieces or 9 pieces?
6 pieces.
With sauce?
Yes. What sauces do you have?
Ketchup, mayo, barbecue, sweet and sour, mustard.
Barbecue, please.
Great. Is that everything?
Yes.
For here or to go?
For here.
Perfect. That's £10.48.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your number. Wait for your order.
How long?
About 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Number 42.
That's me.
Here's your meal. Cheeseburger, medium fries, Coca-Cola, and chicken nuggets.
Thank you.
Extra napkins?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Oh, can I have more ketchup?
Sure. How many?
3 packets.
Here.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. Excuse me.
Yes? Is everything okay?
I ordered a cheeseburger, but this is a plain burger.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. Let me fix that right away.
Thank you.
Here, fresh cheeseburger, extra cheese.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Sorry for the mistake. Here's a free apple pie for the trouble.
Oh, that's not necessary.
Please, we want you to be happy.
That's very generous. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Mario's Pizza? How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza for delivery.
Of course. Can I have your address first?
25 Oak Street, apartment 3B.
Oak Street. Yes, we deliver there. What would you like to order?
Can you tell me your sizes?
Small, medium, large, and extra large.
I'll have a large pizza.
Great. What toppings?
What do you recommend?
Our margarita is very popular, or the pepperoni.
What's on the margarita?
Tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil.
Sounds good. I'll have that.
Perfect. Anything else?
Do you have garlic bread?
Yes. Plain or with cheese?
With cheese, please.
Great. Anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of Coca-Cola.
What size? 500 milliliters or 1.5 liters?
1.5 liters.
Perfect. Let me repeat your order.
Okay.
Large margarita pizza, garlic bread with cheese, and 1.5-liter Coca-Cola.
Yes, that's correct.
That's £22.50. Cash or card?
Cash, please.
You can pay the delivery driver.
Okay.
Can I have your phone number?
0770-090-0123.
Perfect. Your name?
Olivia.
Thank you, Olivia. Delivery in 30 to 40 minutes.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hi, pizza delivery?
Hi. That was quick.
Yes, not busy tonight. Here's your order.
Thank you. Let me check. Large margarita, garlic bread, Coca-Cola. Perfect.
Great. That's £22.50. Please?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, here's the machine. Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks. Oh, wait. Here's a tip.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Goodbye. Mario's Pizza? How can I help?
Hi. I just received my order.
Yes? Is there a problem?
Yes. I ordered a large pizza, but this is a medium pizza.
Oh no, I'm very sorry. Can you give me your order number?
It's 4738.
Let me check. You're right. Our mistake.
Can you send the correct size?
Absolutely. Right away. No charge.
Thank you.
I'm very sorry for the error. We'll send a large pizza immediately.
How long will it take?
15 to 20 minutes. And you can keep the medium pizza free.
Really? That's very kind.
It's our mistake. We want to make it right.
Thank you for understanding.
Thank you for your patience. Your pizza is on the way.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
That's all for today.
4 different places.
Restaurant, fast food, cafe, and phone delivery.
13 situations.
Ordering, paying, problems, everything.
Now you can order food in English.
Real conversations.
Please subscribe to Daily Talking.
More videos coming.
Leave a comment.
What's your favorite food to order?
Tell us.
Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.